the yard and we're heading for Kinsale, so we're going to hopefully get the sails up soon and see how she handles. And the weather's pretty good today. It's force 4 to 5, and it's supposed to be a pretty clear day, so we're gonna. It's about an 8-hour sail to Kinsale. So we left the yard there about 10 minutes ago. We're motoring up the river now, and then we'll get out into the open sea in about probably another 45 minutes or so. We're going to get the head sail or the mainsail up then and see how she goes. But yeah, we're very excited. There's 2 of us on board, myself and Nick, and yeah, we're going to just see how we get on. Sorry if there's wind noise. I only have my GoPro, and I didn't want to bring my fancy camera on board just yet. So yeah. So we are heading towards Kinsale now, and we're under a full Genoa and a reefed mainsail just on a run. So we're just heading downwind. We've about 5 more hours, I'd say, before we get to Kinsale. But so far everything's gone really well. We had a bit of messing around to get the head sail, or to get the mainsail up, just because I forgot to run a few of the lines. But she's sailing really well. She's very well balanced. It's very smooth, not very rolly. We were kind of worried that she'd be all over the place because of her. She's underballasted. She's going really well. So yeah, tow head under the sail there. We had a couple of dolphins as well, but they left. I think I got a bit too excited and they ran away. But yeah, we've got a lovely day as well. We had to reef in the Genoa. The wind is picking up quite a bit behind us, so we said we get the Genoa in before it catches up with us. So we have a reefed main now at the moment, and we're about probably, I'd say about 3 hours from home, or new home. It's gone really well so far. She's performing very, very well. You can tell she's underballasted, but she's doing fine. She feels solid. Obviously, there are a few things that she really needs, like her reefing line needs to be run properly. She needs another couple of winches. She needs a reefing winch. Her reefs all need to be set up, because right now we've just lashed the reefs and just tightened them against the halyards as best we can, so they work fine. But yeah, there's a few things that obviously that she still needs to get her a full sailing boat, but I can write a list of those things now, and then next year, next summer when I'm getting ready for the season, I can do all those things. But I suppose the focus from here on really is to get her comfortable to live in and strip the deck again of all of her gear. At least we know it works now, and I can put it back on. It'll take a couple of days next year to do. But yeah, it's really surreal, to be honest. I can't really describe the feeling. It feels damn good. You can see we've had to reef the main, and even a reef, she's quite a big sail, but I'm going to put another reef in the main here, or maybe here, so that when it's really heavy, when the weather gets really heavy, we can reef her down even more. But yeah, it's fine, looks good. just coming into the mouth of Kinsale now. We've pretty well set up. She's pretty much sailing herself. Nick's running around like a headless chicken, trying to make the boat look tidy, so we can pretend that we were tidy the whole way and we weren't messy like that. So yeah, there's the mouth of Kinsale now, harbour, and then there's a navy ship just so we're going to sail past the navy ship. Yeah, it looks good. She sails very well. We've a pod of dolphins and they're swimming with the boat, just coming into the Kinsale harbour. Look at them, look! Hey buddy!